Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to bleed your rear brake on your motorcycle. First, you're gonna find your rear brake oil reservoir tank right here. You're gonna take the cap off. Then you're gonna come on the rear. You're gonna find your caliper, which is this. Then you're gonna find this part. You're gonna take the cap off. Then you're gonna take a wrench or whatever the case may be that is easier for you. You're gonna loosen it up. Once you loosen it up, you're gonna find the hose. You're gonna attach to it, just like that. You're gonna attach it. Then the end can go to the bottle or whatever the case may be. You're gonna come back again. You're gonna start pumping the brake. So the oil pressure gonna push all the oil to that bottle. Then you're gonna make sure you don't want to empty the whole thing all the way down. Just a little bit left, so there is no oxygen in between. So your brake gonna work properly. Then once it's almost over here, you're gonna take the hose off, everything, then you're gonna tighten it up. Then you're gonna put this back again. Once it's tight, nice and neat, you're gonna refuel, you're gonna put back the oil back. You're gonna tighten up, put the cap back on, and you're gonna give a couple pumps to make sure the fluid is going to the brake. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.